Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, come to Best Western Plus here in West Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And we've got a room here, so we're just going to give a really short, kind of quick room tour and just check the place out to see if it would be a worthwhile place staying at. So let's go and check it out. This is kind of what the hallway looks like. Here's my room. Now let's have a room tour. Here's the look outside my window. There's a brief look at the swimming pool. I did not get to use the swimming pool while I was here, but it's a beautiful looking pool area. And here is the fitness center. It's a nice little fitness center. Here's the restaurant bar area as part of my stay. Got a free complimentary breakfast every morning. Gave you a ticket and you handed it when you came in. So all you can eat breakfast. That was Best Western Plus here in West Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Hotel room was very nice. They had a lot of amenities. They were worth the stay. Very reasonably priced. In a fairly decent location. I really had a good night's sleep. 2 thumbs up. Best Western Plus here in West Milwaukee, Wisconsin. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. This has been another adventure in TV land. I thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.